Hey everybody, it's me. Yes, a shot of my floor. I forgot to show you. I said on my last video I was going to show you what I did, some of my stuff I did accomplish. That's what I wanted to do with my envelopes. And I got that accomplished. And it fits in there perfect. And I'm going to do something. I'm going to relocate these, I think. I said I was going to put them in those storage bins, but I think I'm just going to relocate them. I've made lots of room back in the back, and this is temporary right here. So, oh, and these are the paper pads and cards and stuff that I found. All of those, I found those in the back room, mixed in with my 12 by 12s. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's my desk. Now, yeah, that's okay. I used one of these and two of these. Anyway, yeah, you've seen all this. Okay, you're going back. You're going back into here. Okay. Yeah, I know, it's a real narrow. Since I put the bookcases up here for my candles, it's really narrow. My husband has to turn sideways if he wants to come back here. Luckily, this is mostly all my stuff and he doesn't have to come back here. Anyway, that's what I accomplished with those magazine holders. Holding up cardstock. Cardstock is over to about there. And then the rest is paper pads that I've labeled on the ends. I've turned them this, instead of sitting upright like this, I've turned them on their sides to where, you know, they're facing out. The glued edge is facing out, and got those labeled with my label maker. And I did put, yeah, I mean, there's stuff everywhere. Look at this. This is stuff I had to take off the shelf over there so I could get this on there. But this is where I'm going to take that pad, move it up here, straighten all that out, and this is where I'm going to put those bins of my 6x6 and my 4x6 and all that. Took some stuff out of there. You can't tell it. I can. Took a bunch of stuff out from between here. Don't know if you remember that. But this, and I sat on my stool. I sat on this stool and did this. So, but I put an extra curtain up here to try to filter the light out. But you can see where I've labeled this one. I didn't get it trimmed. I tried to fold it over, and it kind of pops up. I was surprised it didn't stick better than it did. I keep having to push it down. But on these others, like right here, I trimmed them. I cut them, made them narrower. But I've got some of my newer stuff. This one I put there simply because it was a Tim Holtz. This is some of my new paper right here. This big pads that I got at Hobby Lobby. Vintage Nation is Hobby Lobby. I put it there because it wasn't like anything else. The two postcards, and then here is Christmas. Here's Christmas, and then there is Halloween over to Halloween, and then Halloween and fall over to here. From there to there is all Halloween. These I didn't label because they're Martha Stewart, and I know that because of the orange. This one I already had written on the side. And then there's Valentine. Valentine right here, right there. These four Valentine. Then that's Prima Lavender, Prima Rose Quartz, Time Traveler's Memories, Prima, and Prima Cartographer. And that's still not all my Prima. I've got a Stationer's Desk, and I think another Time Travelers that I've already used. Now down here, let's see, I gotta hold my camera different. That's, I don't know if you can see it. That's my tea and coffee dyed paper. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see? I have it labeled. And then down here I used one of those small ones for my pink ribbon stuff. There we go. And then this, don't even ask me. I don't know. But I was really proud I got that accomplished. And like I said, there was a bunch of cardstock was right here. And these are the gift wrap, Michael's gift wrap. Out of their, like, what is it, their $1.50 bin or something like that. Yeah. I mean, but over here, yeah, I've got some straightening up to do. But like I said, that one, straighten up that shelf right there. And this is all Graphic 45. I collect and hoard Graphic 45. I don't use my Graphic 45. I think I've used one time. I've used Graphic 45. But I'm going to move this up to there. Like I said, straighten up this stuff. And that way I'm going to bring my 6x6s in here. And I'll probably do that in a little bit. Whatever you hear is my husband's watching TV, and my husband is deaf even with his hearing aids in. Anyway, I'm real proud of that. And those magazine holders worked out great. Like, they support each other. You know, once you get them, you know, get one full, see, they support each other. So, I mean, I wouldn't go yanking on them too much, but that's a lot of weight right there. But this is a metal shelf, and I think this is made for like garages or something, made to hold something really heavy. Now, yes, I can feel underneath of it. Yes, it is bowing, and if I ever get the gumption, I will probably split some of this paper up. But hopefully, my goal is to actually use it. Except for my Graphic 45. Forget it. I'm not using my Graphic 45. But that's it. The cardstock on one side, like I said, right to there, and then I'm making progress. Girls, I am making progress. Get over. There's my candles and my wax melts. And back into here. And that's it. This towel, I put it down and sit on it because my chair is vinyl. And if I'm wearing shorts, it kind of does a number on me. I did. There's Punky Poo. Hey, Punky Poo. Say hi, Bubby. There's Mommy Punky Poo. I did work on some of this right here, rearrange some of that, and threw some stuff away. Alrighty. Well, that's it. I am tickled. Let's see. Yeah, see? I love it. I love it. It just looks so pretty, all straight. And I can find stuff. Alright, everybody. That's it. I will talk to you later and keep you updated. Oh, yeah, I haven't got to that right there yet. That's a problem child right there. It's probably going to go over there. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.